So now that we have created and worked through our workbook, so let's add a total section here, and let's create the format, or let's create the function which will calculate the AutoSum for us for all these locations. So here we're going to click on AutoSum and we'll just enter it. We will click in it and we will drag from the little corner on the right, and there we go. And we can also add an AutoSum here, and as you can see it is selecting from left to right, so we can just come to the cell which we want exactly to select and drag to the range of the row, and we just press enter. So there we go, we have all the data ready. So now we can save our workbook. So the first method of saving, you can just come back here and click save. Why doing that? So if there is any electricity outage or the computer shut down or for X reason, then you will not have to do the whole work from A to Z. You have already saved what you have done already. The second option, you have to go to File and you have to click Save As, and from here you have to select the location where you want to save your file. For instance, I want just to save it in Documents, so I'm going to save it there, and I'm going to name it exercise to be used for the videos, for example. And here, by clicking Save As Type, we can select under which type we want to save our Excel workbook. So personally, if I will be using another computer with a different version of Excel, I will save it to the lowest version of Excel. So I will go and save it Excel 97 2003, which makes it compatible with all the old and new versions. So you probably have in 2010 or 2013, so it will be compatible with it. And we will hit save. Also, one of the things is that you can save it also as a text, or as a text MS-DOS, as a Microsoft Excel Workbook 5.0, CSV, or even under a format read-only, PDF, or even as XPS documents. So for instance, I will just save it so that I can read it in all the versions of Microsoft Excel. So I will save it as Excel 97 2003, and I will press save. Now that I have saved it, I will just go to my documents file and check my workbook if it has been. There we go, we have it already saved here. Also, if I want to save it as a PDF, we just go back to File, we click Save, we go to Documents again, the file or the location where I want to save, and we click Save Type As, and I will select PDF, and I can unselect or deselect open this file after publishing, and click Save. Now I will go to my PDF or to my documents file to check my PDF, and there we go, I have my PDF file ready to be used or to be sent to someone else.